Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use focus modes to mute notifications during work or sleep. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are using an iOS device, you can simply find this focus send option right on your screen. You can simply open your settings and find the focus to see it available on your device. So you can simply choose or create a focus yourself with customizing notifications, automate activation, and simply activating a complete focus mode. But if you want to use like a focus mode on your Android as well, there is no specific or designated focus modes to mute notification during work or sleep, but you can simply put your phone into DND mode. So DND mode basically lets you have a sound sleep by muting notification while you are working or sleeping. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.